Prestigious Prep by Paris. I'm Paris. Thank you so much for being here. Today's video is going to be a lash install in under 15 minutes. So, I know you can't wait to see that. I am completely obsessed, okay? So if you would like to see, how in the world I got these bomb lashes in less than 15 minutes. Make sure you keep on watching. If you're new here, welcome. We're so happy to have you. Please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe and join the family. Over here, our desire is to excel in all areas, okay? So everything, nothing is off limits, okay? We're not perfect. God is ahead of our lives. We do our best over here. Every day we rise. Period. If you're a returning member, thank you so much for coming back and thank you for your continued support. And without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started with the video. Bye, guys. Okay guys, so I'm going to start with the 16 and we're going to work our way in. We're going to do 16 on both sides and then we will work on the 14s. Alright, so I have my glue on here and I'm going to use these tweezers to pick up my 16 and one at a time, of course, and dip them. So here is me dipping. You don't want to overdo it because you don't want it to be caked up under your lash. So, all right, have it here. We're gonna go ahead and start on the outer portion. Oh, wait a minute, hold on. I'm gonna put just a little bit of the bond on because I did not do that in this one. I'll go ahead and dip our next one. You want to make sure you don't get it on the back side and that you only get it on the front side of the lash. And it's extremely important to lay them as close as you can to the previous lash that you laid. You don't want them to have spacing because if you have spacing below, you will definitely have spacing above. If that makes sense. There will be gaps in your lashes. And that's a no-no, sis. Hurry up. You also don't want your lashes to be doing anything crazy on the top. So you need to make sure that they are straight. Okay, so I have both sides done with the 16. I'm just drying the glue. Be careful because if it gets in your eyes, it will burn and you will not be happy, okay? So let's move on to the 14 in the inner portion. If you see me looking down, I have a mirror down here. It's just easier that way, so I'll be back. Okay, so we have one side done. Looks like from the side. So it looks like looking down. Now we're gonna finish the second eye. Okay, so now we are completely done with the lashes. Here is what this side looks like up from above. This side looks like from above. I go as into the corner as I can, but not too much because obviously your eye duct is there, and so you probably are gonna water there when you wash your face, allergies, all these different things. So I don't do that specifically. So now that we have the lashes on, I just take some tweezers and just squeeze very close to the lid just to make sure everything is secure. You have to be careful with this. Again, you don't want to poke your eyes out. You don't want to get any of these chemicals in your eyes. You will not be happy with how you feel if you do that. So I'm gonna look over here and do this side. So as you guys saw, I put a little bit of the bond on my lashes themselves. And then I use the Ardell to actually be the adhesive for these lashes right here. These lashes actually came from Amazon. I'll be sure to link them below. I do a mix of the 14 and the 16 because I like the way it looks. It's not too dramatic. Even from the side, you can see, you know, it's just very, it's natural. Like, you know, you have lashes on. People know you have lashes on, but it's very, very natural. It does not look over the top or crazy. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It is going to be a short one. So hope you guys try it out, let me know. I definitely recommend these lashes that I got from Amazon, as well as the Ardell. I'm not super crazy about the bond, but I think I use it for extra like reinforcement, if you will. I love my Kiss clamp. 10 out of 10 for that, or lash applicator. Um, I'll try to make sure that I link everything below. So I would not recommend that you get in the shower probably for a couple of hours after you do this. You want to make sure that they're completely dry, or go to bed and lay on them. I also would say when you wash your face, obviously you want to stay away from your lashes. I would not add mascara to this. I mean, you already have lashes on, you have adhesive on, there's enough going on your face already. So I would not recommend adding an extra layer of complication. So I don't do anything to them. When I get out the shower, as far as like if I would do anything, I would take, you know, my little clip here, or my lash applicator here, or my one that I showed you guys previously from Kiss, and just squeeze to make sure right at the lash line that everything is still nice and secure. Other than that, I leave them be. When they get loose, I'll go ahead and take them off. There is a remover that you can use, but normally I leave my lashes on for almost 2 weeks. So when the bond is come to an end, if you will, which is about a week and a half, 2 weeks, it'll come off, and you don't have to worry about pulling your lashes out or anything. But when you go to take them off, be very gentle so that you don't pull them off. I do keep my little spoolie in my purse, like just in case I get like a wild lash or something. It doesn't happen very often. It's like few and far between. I applied these lashes when I went to Mexico, and I reapplied them once while I was there, and I was just because I felt like it. It was hot and humid. They probably could have lasted until we got back home. So the bond is really good from Ardell. I definitely would suggest you get that. I actually got mine from Sally's, and I ordered everything else from Amazon that you saw me use today. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you'll come back for another video. And I hope that God is doing everything that you asked him to do, giving you the desires of your heart. And I hope you will like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already done so. And yeah, until next time, bye guys. All I'm saying